Hey guys, as I have mentioned in in this video we will be seeing section element, which is a semantic element. So let's start what section element is. So section element, it is used in the case or situation like where section of the content is needed. Let's say you are creating a web page, and in the web page the content is divided in some section wise section. So here in this case you can use section element. For example, you can, let's say, open a PDF of, you can, let's say, downloaded a PDF, or let's say Google the PDF of some books, and the PDF books is like chapter by chapters, or so in that case section element has been used. You can say introduction. So in that scenario we can use section element. Okay, I will explain it section element by example. So let's switch to Visual Studio Code. And I will create a new file and save by section element, and I will write a code here.
Now I will write basic code of HTML dot type. HTML opening tag, and after that head opening tag. Title is semantic elements, and metadata will be UTF-8, and after that we'll create body tag. Inside the body tag I will write section tag, section. Okay, and inside the section I will write heading 1. Okay, and I will, let's say, importance of environment, and after that I will write paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag I will write some content, environment, page, and important role in healthy living. That's okay. Now we'll check it in our browser first. This amount of code is working or not.